This is in connection to VP elections. In fact, row over vice presidential election cross-voting. In fact, remember the voting had taken place yesterday, after which, of course, the NDA candidate has won. Congress MP now has demanded investigation. Manish Tiwari has said all India bloc allies need to investigate. In fact, he says cross-voting extremely serious. Let's go straight across to Aishwarya on this. Aishwarya, there of course cross-voting has certainly taken place, looking at the numbers, but now Congress MP has demanded investigation into cross-voting. Take us through what his demands are at this point.
Well, before the elections as well, when we have spoken to many of the NDA members, including Milind Deora or Shrikant Shinde for that matter, they have earlier claimed as well that there is going to be cross-voting in favor of CP Radhakrishnan, and that's what has been proved last night when the election results came. The India bloc, who claims that there are at least 320 MPs who support them. Perhaps the votes that Mr. Sudarshan Reddy got was only 300. So where was those 15 to 20 votes gone, as the Congress and the India bloc claim that 100% voting was done on their side? It is sharp reactions that is coming in. Remember, Rahul Gandhi earlier stated that it should be inner conscious of these MPs while they should think upon while voting. Perhaps this jibe of Kiran Rijiju, later of conscious of the opposition MPs. In fact, Kiran Rijiju thanked those MPs who voted in favor of CP Radhakrishnan. Now, another sharp reaction from the Congress leader has coming as far as cross-voting is concerned. Manish Tiwari went on to say that if there was cross-voting, then it should be seriously investigated by each of its constituents of the India Alliance. Cross-voting is an extremely serious matter, he told. And he also went on to say that if at all what you are saying, that means about cross-voting, in public space, they should be speculated. And if it has any iota of the truth, then it deserves a systematic and clinical investigation by each of their alliance partners who had cross-voted and who had dished their own VP candidate. So certainly now politics over it blooming, and whether there would be any name that will emerge in the near future is something that remains to be seen.
All right. Thank you, Aishwarya, for getting us all of those details. So politics certainly intensifying over vice presidential election results. Now, Congress leader Manish Tiwari says if indeed cross-voting has happened, then it must be investigated.